What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to unbox 1964 survival kit for airmen, survival, escape and invasion kit. And there's a date right here. It's a little plastic container and there's all the ingredients right here. So anyways, let's open it up and see what's inside. Looks pretty vintage and I already see there's some good stuff. Okay, to open it up, all you have to do is pull this metal piece and this one right here. Wow, that's a container. I like that a lot. Boom. Plastic cover and ooh, probably never been opened. It smells very different, that's for sure. Okay, first of all, we got here green fishing line, some kind of stain. That's gotta be fishing line. What is this? This is absorbent cotton, 2 gram, but it says not for medical use. Maybe it's for starting a fire, who knows? Because I think there is a flint in there. There's a little rubber. Ooh, look at the dust going everywhere. And look at these giant matches sealed individually. That is very unique. Oh wow, this is strike anywhere matches. You see the tip? That's how you can tell that's a strike anywhere matches, and that's the biggest strike anywhere matches I ever seen. Ew, look at that dust, whatever that is. Should probably be wearing gloves. Okay, what else we got here? Some kind of purification tablets maybe? Oxytetracycline tablets. Tablets beyond expiration dates shall be replaced. Obviously these ones are expired. Oh, you know what? This is for diarrhea and infections. That's it. But they already expired, obviously. Very cool. Okay. Wow, look at this. Very vintage pliers and wire cutters at the same time. This is definitely unique sealed tool right here. That is very nice. I'm not gonna open it. Okay, we have some kind of cream inside here. No way, check this out. Old school sunscreen ointment survival kit. Sunscreen is very important, especially if you're in a tropical area. You're going to burn up so quickly. There's a bunch of band-aids over here. 1, 2, 3. Once again, very vintage ones. What is this right here? Is this some kind of gum? Oh, single edge blade, like a razor. I'm gonna open it just to see what's inside of it because we cannot see. Yep, that's what I was expecting to see. Boom, you got right here a razor. When you open it up, just like a box cutter razor. That is one of the coolest survival kits I have put to the test. Those vintage survival kits are way better than what they make nowadays. Most of them are such a junk. Except be careful with all that dust and stuff. Maybe wipe it off when you buy one of those for yourself. Clean it up a little bit. Okay, fishing lures and stuff like that. That's a fishing kit. Whoa, I messed up a little bit. Oh well, let's put it to the side. And look how much fishing hooks up here. And some kind of metal pieces like a bait. And this is some decent fishing hooks for the ocean, not just for the river. And there's different sizes. You know what? I'm actually by the ocean, Virginia Beach. I might put this to the test. Look at that. There's flash fishing hooks for any situation, wherever you are. By the river, by the stream, whatever you want to. And you can use this, wrap it around the hook, I guess. I'm not really sure what this is for, but I never seen a survival fishing kit inside one of this container. It keeps it very neat and tight. And guess what? With this metal piece, you can even cast with the treble hooks, double one. This is nice. This is vintage hooks right here. It says fly rod, so you just cast it. That is cool. I'll put everything back in. And you know what? Later on, I'll try to put this fishing kit together and try to catch fish. But that will be another video. Let me know in comments below if you actually want to see that. Actually took me a minute to put everything back together, but that's such an awesome case and it really loads up a lot of stuff in there. And right here is some kind of sandpaper. Not really sure what it is for. Maybe strike matches or something. And right here, two really big sinkers. Whoa, that's nice sinkers, pretty hefty. So that's part of a fishing kit right here. Okay, what is this? There's some kind of rope. Oh nice, this is a vintage signal mirror, whatever you want to call it. There's instructions how to use it. Very nice. They still produce them, but it's not as fancy as this one. Go close it how it was. This is very cool. And there's some kind of powder over here. What is this? No, it's not. Doesn't really tell me what it is. I wonder if I can figure it out right here. Maybe it is chamois, this thing right here, but I have no idea what it means. Also, there says sparking metal flint, and I am missing that. And also I'm missing wrist compass and a strap. Actually, it's only missing compass, and guess what? This is the sparking metal. This is the flint right here. That is very interesting. That's for sure. One of a kind. So I'm missing a couple of things inside of this survival kit. Really disappointed. Or is it container number 1, some of those things? And this is container number 2. Not really sure. I bought it off of eBay. And maybe I'll do part 2 and try to make find container number 2 and 1 together. But this is what you would get in this one. I'm not really sure if those pieces are missing or they were supposed to be in a container number 1. But let me know in comments below, because it's not saying that the no pliers is right here. So I'm really disappointed that I bought this thing off of eBay and I'm missing a couple of things. But again, maybe it's because the rest of the stuff in a container number 1. I don't know. I'm gonna try to order another one and we'll see what happens. If I can get 1 and 2, try to find what exactly you would get inside of this survival kit. Maybe I am missing pieces, maybe I'm not. We'll just have to find out. For those people who knows this survival kit, let us know in comments below. Is that what you would get in container number 2? Because even if just that, it's an amazing survival kit. I love vintage survival kits, for sure, one of a kind. And by the way, fishing kit right here, I will be putting to the test a little bit later. It is complete fishing kit. Looks like I forgot to put one more fishing hook in. I will be putting it to the test in Chesapeake Bay. Try to catch some fish with this. We'll see what happens. Matches are really cool. Big matches, waterproof, single cased. You know what? Maybe it is complete, because look, I can't even put it back together. And looks like it would be waterproof as well. The whole survival kit is waterproof. It wasn't too bad to put back together, but I'm disappointed that I'm missing compass. Those old school compasses are amazing. Man, eBay, sometimes you buy stuff, you're not sure if you're going to have complete set or not. Looks like I didn't get complete set. But maybe it's a container number 1. I don't know yet. We'll have to find out in the future videos. I love this container, holds it together so well and tight. Boom. A little bit heavy, but at the same time there's a lot of good tools. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. Also, am I missing compass? Anyways guys, let me know in comments below if you want to see that fishing kit being actually put to the test and try to catch actual fish with that. Also, don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.